Today I have two ThredUp unboxings, some sleepwear, and it goes pretty quick. It's only 4 pieces in each box, so I'll just do them back to back together in this video. If you're new here, Collectibles for Resale is the channel. My name is Charisma, and I like to do unboxings. I buy these things, I source them in order to resell them. So I'm a full-time reseller on e-commerce sites such as eBay, Poshmark, Mercari. Try to find goods at a low cost to sell at a high cost so that I can make profit somewhere in between there. So that is the goal. And so I have had some luck with these sleepwear boxes. They were originally, when they came out, were way overpriced at like $50, $60. I can't remember exactly. $48, and then with shipping and tax, I don't know. It came out to somewhere around there, and I was not gonna do that. But once they lowered the price now down to $24, I was like, yes, please. My last box, I got some designer lingerie. I got a new with tag bra, which retailed for $65, and I sold it for like $33 or 30 something on Poshmark. I listed it that day, and it sold within 2 or 3 days, so I made my money back. I had some pajamas. They're still listed, and I can't remember what else. But, you know, once you sell one piece, if it sells for a decent amount, then, you know, everything else is profit. So I'll do this. Let's see our little polka dots. Let's see how this goes. Hoping for some new tags. So let's see. This is weird and interesting. Put this over here so we have more room to look at everything. Okay. Hopefully we're getting good enough light. Okay. So this is very odd. And I forgot to mention, this is from Arizona. So the boxes that I've received that were good were from Georgia. I've never gotten a box from Pennsylvania, so I'm hoping one day I will. So it looks like I thought maybe it's a robe. I can't really tell. It doesn't look very long to be a robe, but I didn't know if it's a nightshirt or a robe. It looks like a nightshirt. It says Victoria's Secret silk, small, medium. Definitely no tag on it, so I don't know. I don't think it's new, but it doesn't look like used, like bad condition. So that's I'm hoping I get some brassieres with tags. Okay, here we go. So we've got $60 retail. This is Airy. It says plunge 36D. Airy wear with care. I don't know if that's Aeropostale. I'm not really hip to all the browns. Let's see. It's a pretty color. It looks like a raw hem, but I think it's supposed to be like that around this edge. It almost made it look like it was used, but you can tell it hasn't been. Yeah, okay. I like this color. It's expensive retail, so should sell for at least about half usually, whatever the retail price is. You can usually get right around half, so that will hopefully pay for most of the box. Let's see. Okay. Oh, these are cute. I wonder if these are like bridal honeymoon undies. They're cute. White, small, petite. Really cute white panties. So, new with tags. Yes, they're new. Thank goodness. All right, and last piece. Oh, looks like there's a set. Okay. Yeah. So there's a 2-piece set, and I swear the first time that I did get a box, they sent like just a top or something. I was so angry because it's like, send the set, don't just send one piece if you're gonna do that. Okay, so it's new, but it looks like it's like international modern comfy style. It might be like the last set of pajamas I got in the other box were like sold on Amazon, third party kind of thing. So it's got a cute design. With these purple hearts. It says, oh, they spelled "you're" wrong. You're my good friend. I want forever with you. A nice dream you're dreaming about. I don't know. So I'm not sure if like the company of English is like the first language, but these little shorts are tiny. Yeah, these are not going to be worth much. They feel like very inexpensive, very cheap, like something you get on like Shein or Wish or something like that for $5. I'll put them up cheap, you know, $8, $10 and see if I can move them. So that's that. The bra is good, and I guess the Victoria's Secret panties maybe I can bundle up when I get some more, but overall I'm not impressed with Arizona. My jewelry box was really good, but my purse box not so good, and that first box was okay. So I mean, they can't all be duds, right? I'm hoping like 1 or 2 boxes are actually good. Okay, let's see. Oh, that's a cute little top. Victoria's Secret. That's cute. It's like a night top. Well, I don't know what you call it. I can't think of the words. Words are hard right now. Okay. Oh, good. A 2-piece set. There we go. I like that. This is Adore Me. I'm not sure. That might be like another just cheapy brand. Oh, La Perla. Oh, I know I've heard of that. Like, I've heard of celebrities mention that brand. It's very expensive. So hopefully this is a good one. Yeah, the other piece that I got that was like designer was like in Italian, or I can't remember what it was, and I didn't realize until afterwards, and then I found it was like from spring of 2017, and it cost like $500, $400 and something, which was crazy. So maybe this one will be good too. Who knows? I'll have to look that up. But La Perla, that is, what does it say? USA 34C. So I thought these match, but I guess they just look similar in color, but they're not necessarily a pair. So, and they say one size, which is, that stinks, because I would like to match them up with something. I like to bundle if I can. Okay, so let's see. We've got, man, another thing that's like not from here. Ah, they did it again. Okay, they're just pajama bottoms. Oof, this drives me nuts. UK 16, US 12, misguided. They're just like sleepwear pants. I mean, nothing wrong with them. It says culotte and crop top. I mean, I wonder if these are even like sleep pants. They just seem like, I guess so. Wow, okay. Back to back, not so great. A little bit of a dud. So that's what I get. The one time they have a drop with all these boxes available, there's a reason. Question it. There's a reason. That's why they had so much stuff, because it was Arizona. I should have known. So anyhow, I think I will break even, which is not the goal of reselling. It is to make money, but instead of losing money, I'll take breaking even. So we'll see what we can do with some of this stuff. It's always easy if you have new with tags, and you can do a, what do you call it? Get your photos from online. I can't think of the word. The stock photos. So maybe I'll be able to do that. And what I did last time, at the end of my other sleepwear video, I just put a screenshot of the item that sold, and I'll probably just do that. If any of these items get listed and sold by the time I edit it, then I will just add in a screenshot of what the item sold for, because I have problems editing and I can't really go in and add text or prices or any of that stuff right now. So I can't add pictures, so I can definitely add a screenshot. So all right, guys, and keep this short and sweet, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.